So this has been a hot question, guys, for the last sort of 5 years I've been running this channel, and that is whether or not it is beneficial to skip without shoes or trainers on. So basically skipping bare feet with socks on, wherever you may call it. Is it beneficial for you guys? Is it going to improve your skills? In today's video, I'm going to be taking you through what my experiences were. We're also going to get a top physio on the phone to give you guys a breakdown of what are the potential issues and dangers that come along with skipping without trainers. So if you're interested in this topic, stick around after these messages and we're going to get it as always. Peace.
And I'm like, hello, it's good to finally let go. I ain't worried about a thing. I just like to keep it mellow. Yeah, I like to keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink and keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink and keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow.
What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome to tonight's video, peeps, where I'm going to be discussing the pros and cons of skipping bare feet or without trainers on. So even if you got socks on, right, just no trainers, whether or not it's a good thing or a bad thing and how it's going to impact your body. This is something that I used to do years ago, guys, when I first started this channel, and even before YouTube, to be fair, when I first picked up a rope. I started to incorporate skipping without trainers, and it did wonders for me, I'm not gonna lie. And I want to give you guys my experiences, and I also want to get my top mate on board as well. He's going to be on the phone today. He's a physio, top physio here in South London, and he has a lot of experience and knowledge and a good advice, to be honest with you, like on people who just want to know what are the benefits or what are the problems that could arise if you guys were to skip without trainers. And this is a trend that has been popping up here and there on social media. Even some of my friends love skipping without trainers, they prefer it. I'm gonna get the physio on the line right now, right? This is Bilal, guys. You would have seen him on my channel. We were discussing shin splints not too long ago, and he knows his stuff. So we're gonna get Bilal on the phone right now. I'm gonna get him on the speakerphone. This is the first for his channel, by the way, as well. This can be proper jokes. Hopefully he doesn't swear on the line. But let's get this kicked off. He better pick up. Yo, Mr. Bilal.
Hello, is this Rashad speaking?
No, this is Rush Athletics, my friend.
Oh, okay. How you doing, man?
You're live on YouTube, my friend. Please do not swear. You're a very professional guy, so I don't think you're gonna swear, right? Hello? Oh, he's been cut off. He's been cut off. I can't believe it. All right, we're gonna have to get him back on the line. The one time I tried to do something different for this channel.
Hello?
Mate, it just cut off and I was like recording. That's jokes.
No, what's going on there? You alright?
Yeah, I'm alright. I'm still recording. So please don't swear. That's what I was basically saying. So the question to you is, like, what are your thoughts or what are your advice on me saying to you, okay, Bill, like, I'm gonna start skipping without trainers? What do you reckon?
Good question. I mean, it's an interesting, question with regards to debate and things like that. But what I'd say is you've got to look at the risk versus reward ratio.
Yep.
So what that means is what you're doing in terms of an exercise, how much are you going to gain and benefit from that compared to the risks it carries?
Cool. So from my point of view, if I just cut in there quickly, mate. So for some of us here, so what I'm going to be showing these guys is the reason why I was doing it was, I was playing a lot of football at the time. My body was quite conditioned. I didn't feel any pain, and I felt like it was going to really sharpen my kind of reflexes and timing. So that was the kind of the reward for me. What are the kind of risks involved?
Again, another good question. I mean, first of all, it's important to note there'll be like absolutely no research.
There's no research.
So risks in terms of specific injuries
Yeah.
would be people who carry injuries such as stress fractures, people who have shin splints or medial tibial stress syndrome.
Right.
For example, anything which requires consistent load and weight bearing.
Yeah.
That could cause potential issues. Plantar fasciitis is another big one.
Right.
If you think about constant loading without any form of protection on your foot,
Yeah.
you could most likely irritate the plantar fascia even more.
What's the plantar fascia? Is that the heel? Yeah.
Correct. So the plantar fascia is a bit of tissue which runs from the bottom of your foot to your heel to basically the back of your toes almost.
Okay, so what we're basically saying here is that the trainers are obviously there to help absorb and cushion these like minimal impacts, right? For the heel, the ankles, Achilles, you're saying shins.
Yeah.
So would you recommend like doing this for people who are basically beginners? I'd guess not, right?
In my honest opinion, no.
Okay.
Again, it comes down to risk to reward. When you're starting out, what you're going to gain by having your shoes on versus your shoes off,
Yeah.
compared to the risk of injuries you're going to have as a beginner, which is going to be a lot higher.
Sure. And do you know if there's any research to say actually that by doing this, by actually taking away the shock absorbers of the trainers, for example, that you could actually strengthen your joints?
I mean, I personally haven't come across anything like that.
Okay.
But I suppose you could make the case that that would be probable. But at the same time, you have to look at risk versus reward. The reward is okay, you're more conditioned.
Yep.
But the risk of injury still remains the same.
Got you. So in conclusion to what you would say is not recommended for beginners. If you are kind of like an athlete, your body's conditioned, then maybe light training like this if you're looking to get better timing, for example, or just sharpen up those senses, right? If you want to do that. But pretty much not really worth it.
In my humble opinion, based on injury and prevention and seeing things as a physio with patients, for me the reward wouldn't be great enough compared to the risk of injury, no.
All right, got you, Bilal. Listen, thanks for your time, brother.
Not at all, take care.
All right, make sure you get some reception next time, and pay your bills.
I'll try my very best.
All right, catch you soon, mate. Thank you so much.
See you later.
Cheers, bro. Bye. Right, there you have it, guys. That is Mr. Bilal, top physio and good friend of mine. Basically, what we're getting at here, right, peeps, is the reason why I used to do it. Let me give you my experiences, right? Why I used to enjoy it was I actually used to love the fear. It used to be quite exciting for me to kind of take those shoes off, go a little bit faster than usual, and the fear of being slapped and hit on the toenail used to actually kind of maybe a placebo effect, maybe make me feel like I had to be a lot better. I couldn't switch off. I couldn't miss a step. I couldn't, I just had to get everything right. And if I was a split second off, obviously the rope would tell me about it and I'll be in super pain, and that wasn't cool. So maybe I used to do it as a bit of a kind of like weird, kind of crazy, what's the word? Like, I don't like pain, but those people that kind of like pain slightly. It's probably a bad word, but basically I used to just do it to sharpen those senses and improve my timing. And that could be a reason why my timing is the way it is today. Maybe it was sharpened, it was honed a little bit more those days when I used to kind of train without trainers on. And another reason was when I used to play football, I just felt like when I used to skip without trainers, and it wouldn't be for a long time, it'd be about 5 or 10 minutes. I just feel like when I was on the pitch, I just felt a little bit stronger around my knees, my joints and my ankles. I just had that stability, and I don't know what it was, and I just again felt like that training was helping me at the time, and I used to just enjoy it. Listen, I want you guys to take something away from this, and what I would say to you in conclusion is do not try this. I would say just do not try this if you're a beginner, especially, and beginners mostly suffer from shin splints, injuries when they first get started with skipping. So you don't want to then go into something hardcore like this, take your shoes off and put a lot of stress on your body. 2, if you're an intermediate and you maybe want to sharpen those senses, you want to give yourself a bit of a thrill factor like I did back in the day, and I again feel like it did help me, but very slightly, then go for it, but go for it at kind of like a moderate level, like maybe 4 or 5 minutes at a time, nothing too long. And in all honesty, guys, there's a lot of research that is not here right now, so we just don't know. We don't know the answers, and I'm not going to be kind of like a fake scientist and tell you, what's good for you, what's bad for you, but it just tends to be leaning on the bad side, to be honest with you, to be doing it for a long period of time. But guys, that is it for today's video. It's a little bit different. Got the phone call out today, man. Got the phone out. That was really cool. Imagine if we could do a little phone-in, guys. Would you be up for that? Also, let me know if you're up for that, man. Maybe I can give you guys a phone call or something, and you guys can ask me a question and we can answer it right here, pretty much live on YouTube. It's not really live, but kind of live. I think that'd be quite cool. Otherwise, as usual, man, make sure you get down to my website. If you haven't already, just pick up the most boss ropes on the planet, man. Please. I don't even need to introduce them as much as I do, but just get involved. Use YouTube 10 for your 10% discount. Start flying legendary, guys, and make sure you smash that subscribe button. Do give this a big thumbs up. That'd be really useful for me, and I'll catch you in that next video as always. So without further ado, take care of yourself. Skip the treadmill. Stay safe. Peace.
Fake records.